I like to entertain. Now, I don't use ice that often, and by the time I do use it, it's been in the freezer too long. It's starting to get freezer burn. It tastes like everything in the freezer. They start to shrink down. Every 10 to 15 minutes, boom, you got some new ice cubes coming out. The basket comes right out. You can see your max line right there. There's also a self-cleaning mode on here. About 20 pounds of ice in one day. So if you start off early enough, you can fill up a cooler. It also comes with this cute little scoop so you can scoop out your ice. When you're done using it, you can just pull the little plug that's underneath. Boom, the water just comes right out. You can wipe it down with a paper towel or a rag. So if you like to entertain like me, grab yourself one of these ice makers.